In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to write like a famous author. This is a simple technique, and it starts with building a clear prompt. The goal is to give ChatGPT a piece of writing you already have, and then ask it to rewrite that paragraph in the style you want while preserving the original meaning. That way, you are changing the tone and voice, not the message itself. To begin, open ChatGPT and type in your paragraph. For this example, the paragraph is about remote work and explains that working remotely has become more popular because it gives employees flexibility and helps businesses save money. It also mentions that employees can work from home or other remote locations, avoid commuting, and reduce expenses, while companies can hire talented people from a much wider area. Finally, it explains that successful remote work depends on clear communication, good time management, and the right digital tools to support productivity and teamwork. When you enter your paragraph, make sure you include the full text you want rewritten. This is important because ChatGPT needs enough context to understand both the content and the structure of the original writing. If your paragraph is incomplete, the rewrite may feel less accurate or less polished. Next, add the instruction that tells ChatGPT exactly what to do with that paragraph. In this case, type, rewrite this paragraph in the writing style of Ernest Hemingway while keeping the original meaning. This prompt works well because it is specific and direct. You are telling ChatGPT two important things at once. First, which style to imitate, and second, that the meaning should stay the same. That second part matters a lot, because without it, the response might drift too far away from the original ideas. Once your paragraph and prompt are in place, click Submit and wait for ChatGPT to generate the rewritten version. After that, you can read through the result and compare it to your original paragraph to see how the wording, rhythm, and tone have changed. A helpful tip here is to pay attention to whether the rewritten text still says what you intended. Style changes can make writing more vivid or distinctive, but clarity should still come first. If needed, you can always refine the prompt later, but for this process, the key steps are simply entering your paragraph, adding the style instruction, and submitting it. And that's how to use ChatGPT to rewrite a paragraph in the style of a famous author in a quick and easy way.